Hi, Jennifer Galloway here with the Gulf Coast Humane Society. We're here to talk to you today about our affordable veterinary clinic. It's located at 2685 Swamp Cabbage Court. The phone number is 239-332-2719. We are still currently open, but we are asking that you call and make an appointment. We are trying to be very cautious about limiting the amount of people in our clinic lobby. Now is the time to think about, is my microchip up to date? Are my vaccines up to date? Do we have heartworm prevention? All those things that are important for your pet. Again, our phone number is 239-332-2719. We do ask again that you call ahead for an appointment. We're taking every precaution to keep you and your pet safe. You know, we like to think of ourselves almost like we're like that hospital setting, right? We're sheltering animals at the Gulf Coast Humane Society. We're taking care of your pets at our low-cost, affordable veterinary clinic. We're taking care of your pets at our spay and neuter surgery center. But we can't fully close. We have all these animals to take care of, but we want to serve you in the community. So if you need our veterinary care, please call 239-332-2719.